Welcome to another video with www.damproofhousewallsjohannesburg.co.za. As you can see, we've stripped the plaster off the bottom of these walls. This is in a drive to do the damp proofing. The failure here has been the lack of undertile plastic DPC, which runs the length of the header course. The header course is bricks packed on end like that, and you can see the structural butt joint running in the photo here. So basically what happens is the plastic stops water rising vertically up through the house walls. As you can see, there's reminiscence of the DPC. The DPC is a good 30 millimeters inside the edge of this brick, where it should be extending to the exterior so that it can stop the water rising up through the brick. What the builders then do is they put a groove in line with this plastic through the plaster as a notch to stop the water rising up through that plaster. As you can see, there's damp proof course, but it's also a bit shy. On this side, we failed to find damp proof course. It's normally running in line with the floor level of the house. Again, this side, the DPC really looks to be placed inside the brick. Make it a great day and follow us in further videos.